Introduce features highlight or overview summary about KQQ 4K dashcam, front and rear with Wi-Fi GPS, 4K/2K plus 1080p dual lens dash camera for cars, 3.16-inch LCD wide angle. DVR dashboard camera recorder with night vision, WDR parking monitor, 64 gigabit card included. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Features highlight or overview summary are include: Ultra HD 4K plus 1080p dual recording, the KQQ K8 dual dashcam with 4K, 3840x2160p, front and 1080p rear camera can capture ultra clear and quality video recordings, so you can see more details, such as license plate and road signs. It also provides 170° plus 150 degrees Fahrenheit OV ultra-wide front and rear view at the same time, which covers more lanes and eliminate most blind spots. This dash camera can record sufficient and crucial evidence for incident like rear end and collisions and keep your mind peace. Built-in Wi-Fi and external GPS module, connecting the 4K car dash camera with free phone app via the built-in Wi-Fi to easily manage and view footage on your Android or iOS devices. You can also download videos/images to your phone, which make it easy to share with others. The GPS module records your driving speed and location, which is now also an effective evidence for an accident. Super night vision, equipped with 6-layer glass lens and f1.8 aperture. This dashboard camera can capture more light to take brighter and clearer footage. Meanwhile, combined with WDR technology and advanced image sensor, the driving recorder will automatically balance brightness in strong light or low light. It can record sharp footage and display more details for you even in low light conditions such as cloudy days or at night. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.